Hurricane. The wind is howling like some horror movie. The trees squeak, screaming as their limbs strain against the onslaught. House creaking like the trees, and suddenly I glance up at the roof and see it stays. Homes wrecked, walls missing and roofs collapsing, and once beautiful trees now uprooted and on their sides. Such fierce and destructive winds. Severe damage been left with the raging of the storm. After the storm, a world anew, broken, battered, but through. Sun shining, bright blue skies, no trace of this fierce storm that just passed through. Profound silence reigns, quiet that speaks of losses and gains. A time of reflection, for promises to keep, in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene's scorn.